Welcome to Belleville, the home of lagoons ranging from 40 to 46 feet. I'm about to go and look inside the factory. Join me along. I'm here with Vincent, the handover and commissioning manager for lagoons ranging from 40 to 46 feet, and he's going to take us through some of the processes that go into making these magnificent boats.
So we are front of the deck of the Lagoon 46. You can see like it's very big. Here we will see different steps. They are putting the gel coat and the resin with laminates. On the other side you will see that better, but you can see the size of the deck of the Lagoon 46 on the building. The third step, so we put all dry laminates like you can see. So they did the laminates, now it's the balsa wood, and after we'll put again laminates to do the sandwich construction. Now we are at the front of the Lagoon 42 deck, just infused yesterday. The resin is clear, you can see the foam on this part, for example, and just there the balsa wood. The Lagoon 46 roof, we have different process. So on this building, the first step will be the gel coat by paint with a gun. The second step will be the laminates and resin. The third one will be the dry laminates and balsa wood or special foam. It depends of the area and depends of the parts. And after that, we will do the infusion or the injection process. We are now on the middle of the Lagoon 46 hull. So to build the hull, we have three molds. We have the starboard hull, the middle of the boat, and the port side hull on the other side. We will prepare the boat in three parts. We close the three parts together and we will do the infusion one time. So we build one piece. On the Lagoon 46, for example, you can see the keel is inside the hull. We don't build a keel after and we glue or we screw. We build the keel at the same time. So the infusion, it's at the same time of the whole hull. So we are front of the Lagoon 46, just unmolded yesterday, and now we have one hull ready to go on the second building, where they will finish and polish everything to go after on the factory line. On the factory at the beginning, like you can see, we have one roof of the Lagoon 46, and this roof is going with this deck, just there. In parallel of the deck, we are building the chart table, the kitchen, a lot of wood parts. So here you can see, this is the galley of the Lagoon 46. So we build the galley not inside the boat, but outside. We take the galley and we put directly on the saloon before to put the roof. So we are now on the starboard Lagoon 46 hull, where you can see it's open and very big. So in parallel they are building the bedroom and the bathroom, but now they can put all electric cables, the plumbing, the connections, the seacocks, lot of things before the wood parts coming. So this is a bathroom of the Lagoon 46 for two cabins. So we are building in parallel the boat. It's ready to go on the boat just after on the next step. We have built this companionway, so now with the crane we will lift and put directly onto the boat. This step, this is the last one where the boat is open. Just after that we will put the deck on the boat. So this is the deck of the Lagoon 46 that we have seen the hull. So here, like you can see, we put the roof, we put the kitchen, the chart table, a lot of things. We put the control mold just there. It will be the top when you will be on the cabin. And now this one is ready to go on the deck. So we will lift with the crane and you will going on the hull. So we are on the swimming pool area. So here we can try everything on the boat. We start the engines, the generator, air conditioning. We'll put water everywhere to check if we don't have leaks. So this part is very important. This is the first bath of the boat. So just after the swimming pool, where we did a lot of quality check, this is the final steps for the boat. So here we will repair the small wood scratch, the bubble of gel coat, something like that. A lot of quality control check are done here and repair here. So for example, if you have one fridge not working at the swimming pool. Here we will check where is the problem. So this is done at the final steps. The deck fitting and deck adjustment are done, and we load the boat with the sail, with the boom, with everything ready for the truck, because the boat will take the road to go on the marina. So we are now on the park. So the boats left the factory and they are ready to go at the marina. At the marina, like you can see, the boat, it's without the mast, without tensions, without a lot of things, not anti-fouling. So everything will be done in Les Sables d'Olonne with SAS or Yacht Care Service commissioning.
Some other key facts about the factory here. There are 400 staff. Really exciting to see that around 50% of them are female, and as you walk around the factory you definitely see that everybody is a happy worker. Another thing to note is that Lagoon are continuously working towards more sustainable efforts. Some really exciting news is that the 2 factories here are now certified for quality processes, for environmental processes, and for energy management processes. It's great to see Lagoon working towards these more sustainable focuses, and we are seeing that with every single new innovation that they bring out. Seeing the factory today was fantastic. I thank Vincent, who is now behind the camera, for taking us along on the journey, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do have any more questions about the factory, about the processes, about lagoons in general, please reach out to the team at TMG and we will be happy to give you more information. Well, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to keep updated with more lagoon related content. Thank you, bye-bye.